Hello dear friends! If you use the free version of DaVinci or any other software, this can reduce the flicker to an acceptable level. But if you are using the paid version of DaVinci, use the deflicker effect. Its link in the description and comments. First, make a copy of the clip above it. In DaVinci, you can create a copy of a file by holding down the Alt key and dragging it. Now, select the top clip and move it one frame forward. Then we need to reduce the opacity of the upper clip. For this, in the Video tab and in the Composite section, set the opacity between 30 and 50. The purpose of this is that the videos cover each other's flashing parts as much as possible. Of course, this will slightly reduce the quality and detail of the video. Here you can see the comparison between 4 different modes. As you can see, by increasing the opacity, the flicker decreases, but the quality also decreases. The designs on the objects are slightly faded, but flicker is reduced to a good level. Thanks to the friend who shared this information with us. The channel link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.